Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about a simple and easy way through which you can put up your websites onto the internet. So usually when we create websites we have this HTML and CSS files as you can see. So when we run them using a default browser we see something like this thing, or with an live server we get to see something like this. So these are, I would say, something closer to links. These are links as well, but these links do not work for other users. These links are only for us and only we can see it, right? Only we can use it for our personal preview for this websites. So how can we put them onto the internet so that everyone can see them? So what we gonna use is we need to use GitHub. So we're going to use a feature of GitHub known as GitHub Pages to create a link that would be live using GitHub itself, and it would create a link for our website. What it will do is it will publish all the HTML and CSS code that we have right in this project folder to a website, and to this link it will publish all the codes onto this link, and it will create a website. So what we need to do is when we log into GitHub, if you don't have an account you can create one account and then you need to log in. After logging in you need to go to the repository section, or you would just see at the left side of your screen and repository. You need to click on new repository and then you need to give a name. You can give it any name. You can just write in project 1x1 just like that, and you can write in a description if you want to, it's optional. And you can also add in a readme file. If you already have a readme file you can add it later on as well. Then you need to create a repository. Then you can copy all the code and create a new file and put it onto here, but that will take some time. So instead we're going to just upload the files. So I'm going to upload all the files. This was the index.html file. This is the CSS file. This is also one more CSS file I'm going to be using. So after you have uploaded all the files, you will see all the files that you have uploaded on your screen, and you can make sure that you have uploaded all the files. Otherwise you can just go again and check if some of the files are left. Now after that you need to commit changes. It will process your files and then it will give you something like this. So it has created a new repository under which we have all this HTML and CSS code. You can open your code and edit also as well. So now you can add a readme file for someone who is gonna see your repository. So you can do that later as well, but now we are gonna use GitHub Pages to create the link. So what you're gonna do is you need to click on settings right here, okay, general settings. You need to go down to pages. It will deploy from a branch, okay, make sure it's selected. Then what you're gonna do is you need to select the exact what source would be the branch in. So you need to click on main. There would be also one more option like master. You can select that as well, but make sure you do not select none, otherwise it will not work. Then you need to select root and then you need to click on save, okay. After that this GitHub page source would be saved, and as you can see your GitHub pages site is currently being built from the main branch. So it will take some time depending upon the speed of your internet. Let's see if we are done with the, yes, we are done with the link. So now as you can see you have your site ready. Your site is live at this link, and when you click on it it will take you to the site that I showed you earlier. Now this is a proper link, okay. You can use it to, you can share it, you can use it to see or preview this website on other computers or laptops, and it will work just as fine. So this was all for the video. Thanks for watching.